Hey y'all, I'm Shannon and I'm back with another episode of AVARigs coming right at ya. This is where we showcase some of our favorite systems that we build every day. And this week, we're featuring a killer custom gaming desktop, which is actually right here next to me. And let me tell you what, this system is stacked. So I'm excited to go over it. Let's get right into it. Okay, so this build has all been housed in the Corsair Obsidian 750D Airflow Edition. As you can tell, it's been meshed out in the front for better airflow and has the vent up top as well. They also replaced the fans with the Corsair LL140 RGB fans in the front and then an additional LL120 fan in the back. And of course, it also has this window up front so you can showcase your components inside. So this system is also powered by the ASUS ROG Strix X299E gaming MOBO with an Intel Core i9-7920X. So we're talking 12 cores, 24 threads. Now we're talking megatasking. And it's cooled by the Corsair Hydro H100i V2. Even better, it's been blinged out with the Cable Mod AIO sleeving kit in red. So we went ahead and we set the lights to orange and red to match those sleeves. I think this build looks pretty hot. Now, what better way to really rev up your graphics and outfit your rig for battle than with a 1080 Ti from EVGA. This system is ready for some serious gaming. This system also features 64 gigabytes of HyperX Fury RAM. One other thing I want to note is the storage on this system is a beast. It has a 500 gigabyte Samsung 970 EVO NVMe and 3 terabyte hard drive. So looking at the specs of this system, they really weren't messing around when they configured this. Actually, it ends up being more of a hybrid setup too. So not only gaming, but you can do some content creation with this. So we're talking game, stream, and record, edit, render, and compile. Overall, I'm really loving this build. Well guys, that's it for me. Thanks for joining us today on AVARigs. We hope to see you next time. But if you really like this content, go ahead and subscribe to our channel below. And please follow along with us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter to stay up to date. Thanks. Bye.